Welcome to EasyCart. In this video tutorial we're going to walk through how to create advertisements on Facebook and Instagram using your EasyCart data feed and your extension. If you have not seen our previous videos on setting up a data feed, we encourage you to check that out. At this point we're going to assume you've already installed EasyCart and the Facebook and Instagram extension, and we're going to take a look at how you create an advertisement once you've done that. We're going to assume you've also already created a catalog and pulled in your products. We have a good video just on that segment as well. So let's take a look here. You can see we have already created a catalog. This is my EasyCart test catalog. You can see over here on our EasyCart site we have just some demo data installed and our demo products, and all we've done is installed the Facebook and Instagram extension, and we've connected our existing store to Facebook, and we've pulled in all of our products. So we're going to assume that you've done that at this point. And let's take a look at creating the actual ads now. We have the products, we have them in categories or by gender, by condition, by price, and we want to create those nice looking feeds. So if you haven't gone there, you'll go to your catalog section. I'll show you how to get there real quick. You'll pick your catalog, and you'll see your products in here. And so I want you to click on the green ad over here. We're going to create an ad, and this loads their ad manager piece. There's lots of ways to get to this section. You can also come in here to your ads manager. We were in our catalog. It just takes you over to your ads manager at this point. So what we're going to do here is it's going to say, what do you want to create the ad with, what products, who's your audience, where do you want to put it, how much is your budget. It's going to walk you through the ad set here, and you can pick, I'm going to pick all products. You can see all 10 of my products dynamically from my feed, and we'll scroll down through here. You can pick your audience. You can retarget people who have been to your website. This is why it's critical to set up that Facebook pixel. Or you could come over here and try to force the ad onto other people who haven't visited your site. So you got a couple different audiences you could pick from. You have some other options in here about who you want to sell to. We have placements. We're just going to leave these things as they are right now. Automatic placements, let Facebook decide. You can pick your daily budget. I'm just going to put in a test amount here. As we scroll through here in our budget and schedule, it's going to say, do you want to optimize for link clicks? Do you want to optimize for impressions and just how many people see it? So you have a different type of optimization there. Again, I'm just going to leave these things as they are. Of course, the bigger the budget, the more it'll push that ad out to people. And I'm going to hit continue. The next step here is the ad itself. It wants to know what kind of ad, and you get to design that piece. The first piece is, who are you going to identify with? And you should have a page set up for your business already. You can see I have a couple of pages here, one for EasyCart, one for another business. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of my businesses, and that's who the ad will identify with. Okay. The next thing it's asking for is, what's the format of your ad? And what we want to look at is these carousel images. You can do single ads. You probably don't need a feed for that because you could just use one single image. Collections are also really interesting to build as well. But we're going to take a look at the carousel ads. They're probably the most popular ads people see in Facebook and Instagram, and you can simply slide sideways within your ad. So like I'm going to click on the desktop feed, and this gives you some really nice previews of what your ad is going to look like. And you can see, because it's pulling in our products all dynamically, we have these nice Shop Now advertisements in a scrollable format that you can set up. And this is why the square images are so important, is Facebook likes that for their catalogs. You can also flip over to what it's going to look like on Instagram. And you can see here, you get a nice preview, what they look like. It pulls in the titles. It gives you a nice Shop Now button, and it identifies with the page or the business you're running. So again, this is what we did. We just simply pick who our company is. We're going to use a carousel format. We're going to show multiple items here. You can adjust which feed you want to look at. As you scroll down here below, we have some other options to show single image. If you had multiple images per item, it would do a slideshow, which is a pretty neat feature, but most of our feed information is going to show single images. You can also customize the headline and the description, which is these two fields right here. You can have the title of the product and the pricing. You can switch that if you'd like to. Another really neat feature they allow you to do is sale banners or customizing frames. And if we click on here, we can customize images, and we can give it a custom frame. Okay. Or sorry, it was catalog info. And you could say, I'm going to do a special percentage off. You might want to do that in the corner, or like this. You can mess around with the different looks, colors. The little tag in the corner is usually a very popular method. And so you get the idea. You can flip through here and see how they look. And that's how you can create a quick advertisement. It's already going to be set up. You could change the way the button looks. Instead of Shop Now, it could be Book or Open Link or Download. Typically these will say Shop Now, and it's going to link out to your website using the URLs that you provided with your product. And at this point you can confirm your ad, and you've created basically a Facebook and Instagram selling system. It's going to feed your shop products based on your rules and engagements to users who have visited your website and have an interest in your product. The more detail you can put into your products, if we jump over to EasyCart and edit, let's edit our first product. And this is discussed in our previous videos, but the more information you can specify here for your target audience, the better Facebook is going to feed those to the proper users. So we think it's important to do this. It helps with your targeting and your budgeting. And as you start to run your advertisement, you'll be able to see it after it passes a review. And you can always come in and you can actually configure even more within your ad set and target specific users beyond this. So hopefully that's helpful on how to create an advertisement. Again, it's in your catalog, but you can also go to Ads Manager and you can start building these creative, dynamic advertisements to sell on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.